All right, let's simplify this, okay, together. Now we have so many ways of dealing with this. Now, somebody or one student A can say that because this one is a perfect, the result here is 6 and this side is 6, and we can reduce this one to its basic form. After that, you go by the conjugate, or you can factorize something out from both numerators. Okay, so let's observe the two and see if we get the same thing. Okay, so solution. Now, so this is a perfect square, so we have 6, and we can write this one as 4 times 3. We have the same here, 6 minus 4 times 3 is the same as 6 plus square root of 4 times square root of 3. 6 minus square root of 4 times square root of 3. Okay, so we can bring this one out. No, this one is a perfect square, so it's the same as 6 plus 2, 3. Then we have 6 minus 2, 2, 3. As simple as that. Now let's go by the rationalization method as we take the conjugate of this. So I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this. Remember, when we have 5 plus 7, this conjugate will be 5 minus 7. So I'll just say 6 plus 2 with 3. 6 plus 2 with 3. Okay. Now let's observe this one carefully. When we have a squared minus b squared, the same as a plus b, a minus b. So we have difference of two squares here at the denominator. So the denominator is difference of two squares. Okay, so I can say that 6 squared minus 2, 3 all squared. And this one is the same. So we have 6 plus 2, 3 all squared. All right, so from here, we can, since the denominator is very simple, this side is 36 minus, so when I square this, so it will be 2 squared 4, and this one squared, remove the root sign, so 3, so 4, 3, 12. And to expand this, when we have a plus b all squared, the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So I'll square the first term, 36. 2 times 6, 12, times 2, 24, 24 3, and this one squared will be 4, 3, 12. Have this as simple as that. So from here, 36 plus 12 will be 48. 48, okay? 48 plus 24, 3. On. So we have 4 2, so we have 24. So it's the same as 48 on 24 plus 24 on 24 with 3. So this side will cancel. And this side is 2. Okay. So we have 2. So we have 2 plus 3 as the answer. Okay, let's look at the second method, same question. Okay, square root of 36 plus square root of 12. Okay, so let's look at the method 2. Okay, method 2. So this time I will not change this one to the exact value. Okay, I'll maintain this one, but what I'll do, since I'll get a common term here, I'll make it 6 times 6, that is 36, and this side is 6 to 12. So I repeat the same thing, 6 times 6, 6 to 12. So I have square root of 6 times square root of 6 plus square root of 6 times 2 on square root of 6 times square root of 6 minus square root of 6 times 2. So we have this one in common here. So the numerator will be square root of 6 bracket square root of 6 minus square root of 2. Let's check it again. Oh, it's rather plus. This side is plus. The denominator that is minus. So we have this square root of 6, square root of 6 minus square root of 2. So this side will cancel. Okay. Now we have square root of 6 plus square root of 2 on square root of 6 minus square root of 2. So let's go ahead and multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So square root of 6 plus square root of 2, square root of 6 plus square root of 2. So we still have the difference of 2 squares. So I'll pick this one, square root of 6 squared minus square root of 2 all squared. So from here, this one is equal to that. So that will be square root of 6 plus square root of 2 all squared. So this side will be 6 minus 2. So I have 6 minus 2. Okay. And this one will be, this one squared will be 6. We have square root of 6 plus square root of 2 squared. We have 6 2 times this time that. So that will be 2 times root 6 times root 2. That will be 2 root 12 plus 2 root 12 plus 2. So that will be 8 plus 2 root 12. Okay, so from here, we can say that 8 plus, sorry, 8 plus 2 root 12 on this side is 4. Okay, and the same as 8 over 4 plus 2 over 4 root 12. So we have 4 here as 2, 2 plus, and this side as half root 12. Okay, so we have 2 plus half. Now the root 12 the same as 4 3. So times square root of 4 times square root of 3. So 2 plus half. This is a perfect square. 2, sorry, times 2 with 3. And this one will go. So we have 2 plus root 3 as the answer. So let's compare the two answers. Okay. 2 plus root 3. And the second method is also giving us same thing. All right. Subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.